Want more?
You think I just want that little piece? And you're gonna eat all of this?
All of that. No.
You guys.
What is wrong with that?
Breadfruit. Tell her I'm gonna let you taste it.
Doesn't work like that, right?
Uncle vacuum in. Bye. Baby, you have to come beside me so I can put the butter on it for you.
No, you can put it
No?
the same way that we just did.
Yeah, but you want more? Lord have mercy. Trouble. Auntie. Auntie, pass me color for me, please. It's not the microwave. You want more time? Auntie, Miss Arfie, Auntie? What kind of trouble you gonna cause right now?
So the Boston Company, I know, is famous for Martin Luther King speech, but they also
Oh,
said
this
that,
is where he did his speech?
yeah,
Okay.
this is when he did his very important speech.
Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, night, night. My voice doesn't sound so bad today. It's coming to come, it's coming to come. Say morning husband, fine husband.
Morning.
Sarah, say morning Faves. Ty.
Hello. Hello. Hello, you don't hear me? Hello.
Wagwan. That's your greeting.
Wagwan, my youth.
Exactly. Come on.
Hello, my.
No, wagwan, my youth.
I don't want to say Wagwan.
That's your identity. That's what Faves love to hear when you say.
But I don't want to say Wagwan.
So you're gonna be not a good sport?
No. In July, every July, I don't say Wagwan.
Anyway, you guys, wagwan. Me dey up on the. Me dey up. No, me no dey up on the Gaza. Me dey up on Boston. Me dey up Boston. Anyway, you guys, we are in Boston. Another day in Boston, and we are heading to explore the city. It will be my first time going in this part of Boston. This is my second time in Boston, just to my auntie house and back where I was coming from. But this time I'll be getting to know Boston, and from what I've heard, Boston have a lot of history, rich history, as in, yeah. So I'm looking forward to learn a little bit with the historian and hopefully Taylor will enjoy that. Yes, Sarah?
Birthday.
What? Birthday? Your birthday is already gone. How old is Sarah? Sarah is?
Birthday.
Sarah's birthday. Sarah is 3 years old. Sarah is? Right. Anyway, you guys, so we're going to explore the city right now. So we're taking you guys along with us. Whatever it is that we'll be discovering and doing throughout the rest of today, then you guys will be a part of it. I'll try to capture as much as I can. So stick and stay, subscribe if you're new to the fandom. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys along today. Boston buildings are kind of high-rise, no?
Yeah, you don't have much, but you have.
I mean, but look in front of you, all of them is kind of on the same level.
Yeah, but I mean, they're not New York high.
Oh, you think New Yorkers are higher than that?
Oh, much.
Yes.
Much.
Okay. So we are in Boston City right now, trying to find a parking so we can go be tourists and live our best tourist life. We're going through Chinatown. What I realize is that Boston have a lot of red buildings, like Belgium. Chinese, everything in the streets. Well, we figure it out while we walk. Okay, so we're in the information center. Follow Papa. We're trying to get a map, but they sell the map. So we're just buying our fridge sticker at the same time. What do you want? We already start seeing these awesome monuments throughout the city. Whenever we see ice cream, we stop for them. Or so this is what we're following. We're following the red to get the history of how long the walk should be, you know?
About 20 hours.
Really, babe?
No, it's a good
You
walk.
say about
It's a
20
good walk.
hours.
We might not finish by today. We might finish, we might not.
Okay. What is fried dough? I keep seeing fried dough everywhere.
This is fried dough.
Look, see the thing over there, man, selling fried dough, and the one at the tourism thing
Dough
says
is
fried
donuts,
dough.
probably donuts.
Oh, okay, maybe.
So we're starting the tour. The first stop is the Boston Common, that's the departure. And we got this book to help us understand everything. So the Boston Common, I know, is famous for Martin Luther King speech, but they also
Oh,
said
this
that,
is where he did his speech?
yeah,
Okay.
this is when he did his very important speech. And the
Okay.
Boston Common Garden is known to be the oldest public park in USA.
Really?
So because
Okay.
it's when the European came into the USA as the first immigrants, massive immigrants, they reached Boston because it's a port, like it was like the Antran.
Okay, I see.
So a lot of history here,
Uh-huh.
a lot of history in Philadelphia, while New York will be more new city
Okay, I see.
by the name. So
Okay.
here will be more old and like,
Oh, it's a Boston
Yeah.
duck tour. That's
I
what
was
the duck
looking the
have
same
to
thing.
do.
So I don't know what is that.
Okay, I'll figure it out as we go along.
So yeah, we're moving on. We're starting. We see a lot of people, and I'm sure all along the way
yes.
we're gonna see people
yes.
walking, looking the map in the same time.
Leave it tight, don't
You don't
touch.
want it to take
I'll
no
fix it soon.
Freedom Trail tour because it's gonna be a lot of walking, and we want to do it on our own
Term.
right, and just stop whenever we want, feed the kids, feed us, and yeah, just relax. We're not in a rush.
So let's go figure out Boston's history. So the kids got the ice cream. Tyler, focus on eating and don't let it fall, huh? Yummy, Sarah. Look at this beautiful building here. I'm sure it means something. What's this building? Babe says the State House. It's very pretty. Son of one of Boston's most prominent family, wealthy family, is this monument here. And then over here, you can see something that says the Freedom Trail. Right here, that's what we're doing. There's a church in Boston City, Boston Common, and it's the park, but well, it's just on the outside. This church is said to be the first church to held a Sunday school. Park Street Church. There we go. So we are cruising through the cemetery on the Freedom Trail with a lot of important people that is buried in here. That one of the guys that I read, he was a part of the signing of the independence. So that's where we are right now. Who else is buried in here?
So Paul Weathery that's how I say,
Tomb.
that is there. Paul Weathery is one of the patriots that won Samuel Adams and Benjamin Franklin when the British was marching to them.
Okay. So this is a Canary Burial Ground, 1660. Within these grounds are buried the victims of the Boston Massacre, March 5, 1770. What is King's Chapel exactly? Let's find out. What's this one? Old State House. No, we passed that already. You can see that this building is very old though. But look how high this one is. This one is high. But it looks really nice. Very antique. It's giving me Europe vibes. The oldness.
DNY is Bangkok. Guys, we are now in front of the old state house. From what I read, this house is the place when after they signed the Declaration of Independence in Philadelphia, where they first read it to the people of Boston, because there was no internet and not all of these things. So that's where, from the balcony, which I think will be on the other side.
Okay.
This is where the first read the Declaration of Independence to the people of Boston.
Okay, so it was right here in this small space.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
So, funny story, 200 years after, which is recent, the Queen of England, Elizabeth II, the actual one, she made a speech here, like a united speech. So at the same balcony that back in the times they were talking for the
there's the balcony.
The British against the US.
Yes, Sarah. Yeah, balcony out.
This is the balcony.
Yeah, I see. So that's the balcony. So many people gathered here, not around there. So this is a more bigger space where everybody could gather. Okay. This is written site of massacre. So this is where the killing happened. Wow. This is interesting. It doesn't feel right walking here.
It's just in front of the balcony.
Yes, the balcony.
It's considered as the first bloodshed of the American Revolution.
Wow.
Every year on March 5, there's an annual reenactment of the event that took place on this very scene.
Wow, really?
In our show, involving our favorite three stunts, ending with the handstand.
They're doing some performance.
On the top of our ladder. Now, as I said, we have our final routine, and it does have our favorite three stunts in it. For the first of these next stunts, we do need one more helper. This time we'd like somebody small.
Yes.
Whatever happens, Sophie, do not lean forward like this.
Or backwards like this. The 6 club exchange in 3, 2, 1, hop! Wow!
You were perfect. This time, it's for real.
Okay, whoa. Sophie's mom, do you have any more kids?
Oh, he's got a spare.
Just in case, I have a little extra padding for her. Look, Sophie, do you have lice? Mom says no. She knows now.
Yeah, the funny thing about this trick is we used to do this with flaming torches.
Sophie, at least pretend you're scared.
Hey, Sophie, let out a little scream.
Scream, Sophie.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sophie!
Pull out from the blanket. Just give a pull. Look out, don't put that, honey. Sophie, you take over. We're going to the bar. Just one knife at a time, right up here.
Oh my God.
Any end is fine, Sophie.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my God. These guys are good. They are so good. Wow. We watched that little performance, which was really good. We're touring the town where there's like some markets and shops. Quincy Market? Quincy Market, babe says.
It's a nice place to hang out.
Yes, there's a lot of restaurants, a lot of little card shops where you can buy Boston souvenirs.
In the evening, it's
Full.
full of people.
Let me show you.
Samuel Adams brand.
Oh yes, a lot of Samuel Adams. The statue that we saw earlier is down this side. So this is what this end is looking like.
Samuel Adams, look.
You see it again? Oh, the restaurants named Samuel Adams.
Brand of
He's like his name is a brand really. It's a tourism brand.
we won't go there.
Okay.
So we return.
So you see a lot of these little cards selling souvenir. If you see over there, you see a lot of them. Boston Harbor is down there, but we don't have the time to go, so we'll just go and join back the trail. Yes, Ty? Okay, so we are continuing along the trail, and we realize that we're seeing a lot of Italian looking decor in the streets. I don't know what it signifies. Maybe this is the last one I'm showing you on the trail for now. This church here is the oldest standing church in Boston. I am very tired, so I'm heading back. Slushy break. I'm done for today. Done. How's the slushy? How's the slushy over there? Everybody grubby.
My slushy starting to be ice.
It starts to begin to be ice, or it starts to melt. Got back from Boston town, and my auntie, guess what she made for dinner for me? Oh my God, look how it's yellow, auntie. If mommy ever see this. OMG. You guys, let me show you a close-up of this breadfruit. Oh, this is half ripe, you know?
Nice.
And you know what I'm gonna eat it with, you guys? Callaloo and
straight from
salt
auntie.
fish from Auntie Garden. Right, auntie?
Yeah, man. Right. Organic callaloo. Hey, right, Jamaica style.
Oh my gosh. Look at that. She don't even have to peel off the skin. It's just peeling off by itself. That hot and nice. Let me warm the callaloo so it right on time. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, baby. The breadfruit you shot.
My sister, your daughter make me laugh.
What's she
She show
doing?
me different colors. She said, c'est quoi ça? C'est ça, c'est bleu. C'est quoi ça?
C'est quoi
orange.
ça mean? What is this?
C'est quoi ça? C'est rose. Je sais bravo, papa.
She's too cute.
And with this,
One doctor. Some said, Jimmy, baby.
You want more?
You think I just want that little piece? And you're gonna eat all of
All
it?
of that. No,
You guys,
What is wrong with that?
that, can I?
breadfruit. Tyler, I'm gonna let you taste it.
doesn't work like that, right?
Uncle vacuum in. Bye. Baby, you have to come beside me so I can put the butter on it for you.
No, you can put it
No?
the same way that we just did.
I want
Yeah,
the
but
You
bread.
want another
you want more? Lord have mercy. Trouble. Auntie.
Bread, fruit,
Auntie, pass me callaloo for me, please. It's not the microwave.
bread, fruit.
You want more, Ty?
Bread, fruit, yes, yes.
Auntie,
yes,
Miss Arfie,
yes,
Auntie?
yes,
What kind of trouble you gonna cause right now?
just gonna look some more.
Merciful.
Come on, come on, I'm gonna get up.
Oh my God.
And around, they open by 8 o'clock and sit go there.
Oh my, auntie.
Breadfruit, 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 breadfruit.
All right, Ty, all right.
Breadfruit,
You know what?
Come here, let's go. Come.
breadfruit.
Lord have mercy.
Come.
Wow, yummy, right? Man, the Jamaican in you.
Breadfruit.
So where is yours? Put your husband one in the plate. You just eat it.
We are-
Give him many.
We are eating and give me a done.
No. You mean when you would eat up that I would peel more, let him get.
Auntie, defend your baby.
You want me to peel some? You want me to peel for you?
No, sir. I'm not going to eat half this.
Oh.
Me are going to eat some.
Breadfruit. Breadfruit, breadfruit.
Baby don't want to come be funny.
Breadfruit, breadfruit.
Wait, Ty.
Breadfruit,
Tyler,
breadfruit,
finish now.
breadfruit,
Here, babe.
breadfruit,
Thank you.
Yes, Ty, it's coming. He's a
that's
scrap.
breadfruit.
Fini. And don't bite me now like how Sarah bite you yesterday. I feed Sarah, it's got Sarah whopping finger. Upstairs, me I hear you scream out, me say me feel it in my yeah, Mama Sarah bite me.
No,
It wasn't deliberate.
I wasn't upstairs.
No, I was upstairs when I heard.
Breadfruit, breadfruit,
Tyler, finish.
breadfruit. Give me a place of breadfruit, and I will stop. Give me my plate of breadfruit. Where is it?
Jesus, Tyler, no bite so big. That's merciful.
Give him.
Where's Sarah?
Sarah must sit there with Uncle. You alone. She out here, sir.
Sarah? Where are you?
Must sit there with her uncle.
Sarah here, you want breadfruit?
Right out here, so
What's mine?
Wait, Sarah. Wait, Tyler. Wait, Sarah and her.
Mine.
Jesus
Mine.
Christ.
Oh,
Mine.
you have breadfruit.
You don't like it.
The face no look happy. You want more?
More?
Okay, come. Until you she repeat that she wants it. Come for more. Come, eat breadfruit. Big bite. Yes, sir. Tell her you want more?
Yes.
Lord have mercy. We didn't give him no dinner, auntie.
Daddy? Boy.
Right up here, so you miss it.
You know it too.
Everybody have fun.
Me say,
Uncle?
Daddy, Tyler,
Yeah,
put them on
miss
breadfruit. You eat breadfruit.
Uncle, you have to come taste this year when you eat dinner already. Oh, it's nice.
And you will want more, and it will look like you didn't eat dinner like me.
Oh my God.
This nice bad.
No, it's good, but
Oh my god. It's the best breadfruit I've ever eaten.
you know that's the thing because the breadfruit we have in France is imported mainly from Dominican Republic.
Oh.
So the time that they import it, all of
By the reach to spoil, auntie.
they have to pick it up in the tree when it's not fully ripe. So when you reach,
Young
It's
breadfruit.
young.
You
Boil
don't
this
know.
breadfruit and when it come in dry out.
Oh my.
It's another tiring night here in Boston on vacation. I am so tired, but I'm up trying to edit a vlog so that I can get some rest. I am so tired. But we had a good day with the family. We had a good day out exploring Boston. Boston is rich of so much history, so much history here. I couldn't finish the Freedom Walk, but the Freedom Trail, but I did as much as I could. Everybody's in bed except me in this house right now, so I'm gonna try and finish up editing this vlog. So even one of my cousins came by to look for me, but he actually is not doing well, so I had to stay at the door and talk to him down in the street. So that was good, but I didn't film. But all in all, it was a good day, and I end the day with that yummy breadfruit my auntie made, so the day couldn't be better. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam, ma'am. Catch one, keep up, and we'll definitely see you tomorrow on another day of vacation here in the USA.